All right, so some things to consider. Well, I want to say consider. These are some important tips when you are washing your locks. Wring them out in the shower after you've rinsed them with cold water. You want to rinse your hair with cold water. Well, not cold, at least lukewarm, but cool water, not hot water. I'm a hot shower person. However, the last like 2 or 3 minutes, I'm cold shower. So that's when I rinse my hair. So I rinse all of the shampoo out with cold water. It's better. And then after that, I wring it out. So as much as I can pull into my hair and I hold, and then I squeeze the rest out. I don't move down or anything because my hair is short anyway. But just holding it and then squeezing it out. And then once you're out of the shower and everything, if you still have some wet ends, just grab and squeeze the excess water out is a good way to do that. And I'm going to take this out because I'm not going to retie my hair just yet, but my hair is still rather wet in this area. It's still wet, so I'm going to show you how I dry it. All right, so let's talk about hair porosity for people with locks, microlocs specifically. So, low porosity hair, it dries slow because it can really hold moisture. So, using a hair dryer on low porosity hair is ideal. Now, high porosity dries quickly, mainly because the hair cuticle is really tight and it's resistant to moisture, or it just takes a while for the hair to really get soaked. So, using a hair dryer after washing your hair is not ideal. It's just better to let your hair air dry. Now, my hair is medium porosity, which means my hair can hold moisture and it dries at an even pace. So, when I'm using a hair dryer, I focus on drying my hair until it feels damp and let it air dry the rest of the way. If you know your hair porosity, comment down below and I'll respond with what products work best for your hair. See you in the comments.